Welcome back to the KEMPIRE Daily YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the uploads. In today's video, I want to talk about a cleaning hack that I did on TikTok. Yes, my TikTok. If you are not following, you're missing out on a lot of really great information. So definitely check out the link in the description. So this cleaning hack I want to talk about is one that I've been doing maybe for the last year or two. And it's something that I found in the actual instruction manual. I know a lot of us guys don't read the instruction manuals, but there's a lot of really great maintenance tips in those instruction manuals. But you can also find this information online. So I thought maybe I need to share this with my wonderful YouTube and social media family. After you're done washing your clothes for the day or whatever it may be, make sure you leave that door or compartment open. Anyway, watch the video and I'll show you exactly what parts of the wash machine I'm talking about.
Since we're in the basement, here's another cleaning hack that you probably don't know or you probably forget to do. I think a lot of people forget to actually read their manuals for their washing machines or dryers, but they give you a lot of great and helpful tips on maintaining and avoiding things like mold in your washer. So one of the things I always remember to do after washing is leaving my washer open so it can air dry. I even take this part out as well, so inside this compartment can actually dry out. You'd be surprised, even after one use, there's still moisture inside the washer and inside these compartments that can cause mold. So if you want to maintain the life of your washer, please remember to do this after every wash. And also remind your family members, that's always a situation. Don't forget to follow for more.
So as I said in the video, you want to prevent against mold. If you have allergies, if you have asthma, mold is not your friend. So I've seen it. I've seen like the starting of the buildup of like black mold in those specific areas. So if you're trying to prevent that and you're trying to also extend the life of your washer, this is something you want to do. Look in those crevices and areas, wipe them down just so you can take away a good portion of the moisture already, but also for those areas that you don't even think about or see, dry them and leave them open to air dry. Like my basement is usually very humid, especially during the spring and summer. So I have a dehumidifier down there as well as an additional measure, but that can be costly. As I said to you before, just doing this can extend the life of your washer, but also prevent against mold. If you have a cleaning hack or another tip in regards to washers, let me know in the comments and let's talk about it. Sharing is caring. Don't forget to share this video, like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the uploads. I'll see you tomorrow.